Vuzix just pulled off what might be the smartest move in the AI glasses industry. While everyone has been obsessed with Meta Ray-Bans and waiting for Apple to make the next big leap, Vuzix has been quietly building something completely different. They're not chasing flashy AI demos or social media features. They're solving the problems that actually matter. Better displays, longer battery life, and technology that other companies may eventually depend on. The crazy part? Most people have no idea who Vuzix is. But by the end of this video, you'll understand why that could change very quickly. Most companies racing to build smart glasses have spent the past few years glued to Meta's playbook. More cameras, louder speakers, flashier AI, new social tricks. It's like they were all fighting to build the next Meta Ray-Ban instead of asking what comes after. Vuzix didn't care about any of that. They looked at the Meta frenzy and just said, "What's after camera glasses?" Not, "How do we add more features?" but "How do we make glasses truly useful in daily life?" Here's the thing, Meta's glasses, for all the hype, still need your phone way too much. Yeah, you can snap a picture, ask a question, blast some music. But these things don't really change how you move through your day. You're still stuck reaching for your pocket or bag. Vuzix wants to change that. They think smart glasses should quietly slip the right information in front of your eyes when you need it without showing off. No floating holograms everywhere. No over-the-top AR. Just simple, helpful info at the perfect moment to get there. Vuzix had to rethink everything. Instead of loading up glasses with obvious tech, cameras, chips, giant batteries, they focused on making them light, comfortable, something you could forget you're even wearing. Their optics pretty much vanish into the frame. The glasses AI doesn't nag you, it just helps. This philosophy actually solves the problem of stopping smart glasses from becoming normal. Nobody wants to look or feel like they're wearing a goofy piece of tech on their face. People just want glasses that feel like glasses. And that's what sets Vuzix apart. They're not trying to turn your eyewear into a smartphone for your face. They're building eyewear, plain and simple, that just happens to be smart. It's a small-sounding difference, but it changes everything. How they design the optics, how they save battery, how they build the frames, and how they think about AI's role. While everyone else is busy chasing the next smart feature, Vuzix is betting that making glasses truly wearable is what will actually push the whole industry forward. And honestly, they might be onto something a flashy new camera can never do. What sets Vuzix apart from the big names like Meta isn't high-powered AI. It's not fancy cameras. It's not even some clever software trick. The secret sits quietly in the place most people don't think to look until they put the glasses on. It's the display. Making a display that actually works in smart glasses is a massive headache. Everyone loves the idea of digital info just floating in front of their eyes, seemingly part of the real world. But the reality? Most displays come with baggage. They're either chunky, disappear in sunlight, drain the battery too fast, or force the glasses to look and feel like science fiction goggles instead of something you'd actually want to wear. That's why Meta, with its Ray-Ban smart glasses, pretty much skipped the display entirely. They leaned into cameras, microphones, speakers, and AI because cramming in a good display, one that's as light, clear, and comfortable as regular glasses, just isn't easy. Vuzix looked at that challenge and ran straight toward it. Their ace in the hole is Waveguide optics. It doesn't sound all that impressive, but honestly, it's a game changer in this world. Here's how it works, and instead of slapping a tiny screen in front of your eye, Vuzix fires light into a thin, transparent layer hidden inside the lens. That light travels across the lens, and just at the right moment, it beams into your eye at the perfect angle. Suddenly, the whole experience feels different. No awkward screens hovering off to the side, no weird tunnel vision. Information just floats naturally in front of you. Directions, messages, AI prompts, blending in with the world around you instead of blocking it. That's a way bigger deal than it sounds. Nobody wants glasses that feel like a mini computer constantly in the way. People want to look up, hold eye contact, see traffic, be part of everyday life. Vuzix gets that. Their entire display system is built to keep you present in your world, not stuck behind glass. This clever tech is also why Vuzix glasses aren't as clunky as most AR headsets. Since the Waveguide lives inside a regular-looking lens, they don't need a whole mess of bulky hardware crammed in front of your face. The result? Frames that actually look and feel, well, normal. This is where Vuzix's long history really pays off. While everyone else is still wrestling with how to shrink a display to fit inside something you'd actually wear, Vuzix has been perfecting the optics year after year. They aren't chasing the flashiest visuals, they're chasing something harder, making tech feel invisible. It's not the kind of feature that grabs headlines like biggest camera ever or most advanced AI yet, but quietly it could shape the whole future of smart glasses. If we're ever going to stop staring down at our phones all day, the display has to disappear first. And that's exactly what Vuzix has been working toward all along. If you're enjoying the breakdown so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more videos like this coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. Let's be honest, everyone's obsessed with AI these days. Ask any company why their smart glasses stand out, and you'll hear the same pitch. Our assistant is smarter, our voice recognition is sharper, our AI is just more powerful. But here's the thing, none of that matters if your glasses don't last through the day. A smart assistant isn't much help if it's silent when you need it most. That's why Vuzix's latest AI glasses boast up to 48 hours of operation under normal use. For context, a lot of smart glasses need recharging every night or even sooner if you use them heavily. And Vuzix didn't just cram in a bigger battery. That would have made the glasses heavy and awkward. They went for something smarter. Cut the unnecessary energy waste. Vuzix kept the glasses focused on what they do best, displaying information and handling communication, while letting your phone or the cloud power the heavy AI lifting. Think about it. Your smartphone already has a processor that would run circles around anything you could squeeze into a pair of glasses. Why double up and burn through your battery and your face? Vuzix just uses the computing power you already carry in your pocket. This translates to way less energy use, and when the glasses are comfortable, you actually want to wear them. You're not tossing them in a drawer after a week. Weight matters too. The moment smart glasses start to feel heavy, you stop caring about what they can do. All you notice is the pinch on your nose. That's not what anyone wants. By keeping extra hardware out of the frame and sticking to efficient parts, Vuzix keeps their glasses shockingly light, and that makes a difference. You can wear these things through meetings, factory walkarounds, a full hospital shift, or just an entire day without feeling like something's crawling across your face. Honestly, this is where most of the smart glasses industry took the wrong turn. Everyone chased smarter AI, but Vuzix realized the real challenge is building glasses you don't want to take off. When you stop worrying about battery life, when they're light enough to forget you're wearing them, and when the tech fades right into the background, that's when AI begins to help you, not distract you. The real breakthrough? It's not about tossing in more features. What really stands out about Vuzix is how little they talk about chips or clock speeds. They keep coming back to optics, something most people rarely think about. It sounds odd at first. After all, these are smart glasses with AI smarts under the hood. Why focus on lenses instead of processors? Vuzix knows something simple but easy to overlook. You can have the smartest software on Earth, but if you can't actually see it and see it comfortably, it doesn't matter. That's why they've spent years refining their Waveguide technology. And tiny projectors beam light into a thin, transparent lens, which quietly guides the image right into your eyes without getting in the way. Honestly, it feels a bit like magic. Instead of another glowing rectangle demanding attention, information just slips in where you're already looking. One of the biggest gripes with wearables? They're always reminding you they're there. Some are heavy, some create awkward reflections. Some practically force you to look away from what you're doing just to check a notification. Vuzix has spent years trying to erase that feeling. The dream isn't to build a display you admire, it's to create one you basically forget about. Brightness matters too. Anyone who's tried reading their phone in the sun knows how fast the screen just fades away. So Vuzix doesn't just crank up the brightness. They focus on optical efficiency, getting light right where your eyes need it instead of just throwing more power at the problem. And that's the real test. Can you rely on the glasses everywhere? If you have to worry about squinting just to check a message, the whole idea falls apart. Smart glasses just work when you stop thinking about whether you'll be able to read them. Their design aim is simple: sharp, easy-to-read info, right where you look, right when you need it. Directions, messages, quick instructions, AI tips. Not walls of data, just what matters, when it matters. In a way, that's how our minds work too. We don't need 20 things in front of our faces. Most of the time, one good answer is enough. Vuzix also gets that a lot of us already wear glasses, and not everyone's excited to juggle two pairs or clip on a weird adapter just to get smarter eyewear. So they've built solid support for prescription lenses. It's the kind of thing customers rarely see in a fancy launch, but it changes everything for daily use. People don't want special glasses for each part of life. They want to read email, walk outside, drive, work, hang out, all in one go, with one pair that simply fits. When your users are surgeons, engineers, field techs, you can't ask them to compromise on vision. It's non-negotiable. Same goes for use outside the lab. Demos are always indoors, perfect lighting, perfect conditions. The display has to work no matter what. Maybe you're following directions across a busy intersection, or fixing equipment in the sun, or using AI under nasty overhead lights. It still needs to be clear. So Vuzix isn't chasing the flashiest graphics or wildest specs. They want reliability, invisibility, something you can depend on all the time. And that's the bigger lesson here. While everyone else races to supercharge their processors and pack in more AI, Vuzix quietly puts your vision first. It's simple. If you get the optics wrong, nothing else matters. Get them right, and suddenly the tech fades away and the glasses just feel like part of life. That's when smart glasses stop being gadgets and just become, well, glasses. That focus might be the hidden advantage that sets them apart as smart glasses finally find their way into the mainstream. Or take a warehouse that seems to stretch forever. Workers need to find and pick thousands of items each shift. Every extra second spent searching piles up, multiplied across the whole team. Smart glasses direct them to the next item, show them what to grab, and even map the fastest route. No need to fumble with scanners. That shaves off time. It cuts mistakes. Over a year, it saves companies a fortune. Hospitals need tools like this even more. Surgeons can't afford to look away from patients during a procedure. Having patient data and instructions pop up in their view makes things safer and faster, not just easier. Nurses rushing through crowded wards can see updates or patient info without breaking stride. It's not about flaunting the latest technology, it's about clearing away obstacles. Aviation's the same story. Pilots track endless details on every flight. Smart glasses let them see checklists or navigation cues without turning their attention away from flying. When you've got a whole plane full of passengers, you don't mess around with unreliable tech. Then you've got the military, probably the harshest test of all. Their gear faces heat, dust, rain, vibration, and long days. It has to work, no matter what. If it doesn't, people get hurt. Vuzix has spent years proving itself in these kinds of environments. That's why their approach stands out compared to companies chasing headlines and viral moments. While others ask, how many AI gimmicks can we pack in? Vuzix takes a step back and asks the tougher question, how do we make glasses people trust, day in, day out? That changes everything. Suddenly, battery life matters more than flashy features. Comfort wins out over cramming in extra hardware. You keep displays sharp and readable instead of experimenting for the sake of novelty. Lightweight always beats bulky, because no one wants to wear a heavy headset for an 8-hour shift. If the battery conks out halfway through a job, you've failed. If the screen washes out in sunlight, nobody cares how clever the software is. So Vuzix spent years solving problems that only demanding professionals cared about, and now, regular people are starting to see the value in that. Funny thing, while companies like Meta try to sell businesses on consumer gadgets for work, Vuzix is coming from the opposite direction. They already won over the professionals, and now they're aiming for everyone else. That could turn out to be the smartest move in the market, and nobody saw it coming. This is where Vuzix flips the script. Almost every smart glasses company out there wants the same thing. Get as many people as possible to wear their glasses. That's it. Simple, direct, and well, kind of predictable. Vuzix is chasing something a lot bigger. They don't just want to sell their own glasses, they want to be the engine inside everyone else's. If smart glasses ever hit the mainstream, Vuzix wants their technology running under the hood, no matter whose logo sits on the temple. This approach, it could be a way bigger deal. Look at the Ultralite Pro platform. It might look like just another pair of lightweight AI glasses, but there's a lot more going on. The real story, it's a blueprint. Vuzix didn't waste years making a million different versions to please everyone. Instead, they built one solid reference platform. The optics, the display, the whole architecture, ready for manufacturers to take, tweak, and ship. Any brand can grab the core, put their own spin on the hardware and software, and actually get something to market without having to build everything from scratch. That's nothing like what Meta is doing. Meta wants every pair of glasses on your face to say Meta. Vuzix, they don't care nearly as much about that. If their tech is inside, they win, plain and simple. And that's where OEM licensing comes in. For years, Vuzix has been behind the scenes, quietly selling optical tech to companies making gadgets for healthcare, the military, logistics, places regular consumers barely notice. Now, as AI-powered glasses get ready to go mainstream, that low-key expertise suddenly becomes priceless. Picture this. A fashion label dreams up its own line of smart glasses, or a phone company decides it needs in-on wearables fast. They can design frames all day, but building optical systems that are actually visible outdoors, light enough to forget you're wearing them, and slim enough for stylish design, that's an entirely different ballgame. And those are exactly the problems Vuzix has been solving for years. So instead of getting into a fistfight with every new brand that wants a piece of the smart glasses pie, Vuzix can just supply a crucial ingredient to all of them. You see this all the time in tech. Almost nobody cares who made their TV's display panel or their phone's camera sensor, but those companies make a fortune because every brand depends on them. Vuzix is absolutely aiming for that role in smart glasses. So maybe the biggest story here isn't that Vuzix built another pair of AI smart glasses, it's that they may have figured out where the entire industry is heading before everyone else. While others are racing to sell the next must-have wearable, Vuzix is quietly building the technology that could power the future of smart glasses itself.